Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message on Discord because you didn't see a notification, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Unread message badge on your Discord app icon on PC using the latest update. This way, you'll always know when there's something new waiting for you, right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to your username, there's a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications on the left sidebar. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification settings available to you. This is where you can customize how Discord alerts you about new activity. Scroll down until you find the option that says Enable Unread Message Badge. This setting controls whether or not you'll see a red badge with a number on your Discord app icon whenever you have unread messages. To turn this feature on, simply click the toggle next to Enable Unread Message Badge. When it turns blue, you'll know the setting is enabled. That's it. From now on, whenever you have unread messages in any of your servers or direct messages, you'll see a clear badge right on your Discord app icon in your taskbar. This makes it super easy to stay on top of your conversations, even if you have Discord minimized or running in the background. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back off. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and updates. See you in the next video.